That's a good ball. This is 441 yards. Yeah, 172 yards out. I have a 7-iron, probably be hitting a 6. We're just gonna roll with it. That came out dead. It's short. Ooh, big hop though. We're on, it's still rolling. This is a pretty massive eagle putt here. Going left to right. Pretty heavily. Gotta give myself a good opportunity for birdie at the very least, but I would like this to go in. I knew it was breaking right. I just didn't trust it was that much. For birdie here. Yep, I like that line. All right, we got a birdie.